Hi, so today we're going to be doing a quiz style video of the muscles of the head and the neck, origins and insertions. The red tags will be origins and the blue tags will be insertions. Okay, so number one is right here in two spots. What originates here? Okay. Two, what originates here? 3, what originates here? 4, what originates here? And then 5, what originates here? Okay. Now 6 is what inserts here. Okay. And 7, what inserts here? Okay. And then 8, what muscle inserts here? And then 9, what muscle inserts here? Okay, now you can pause the video and we are going to go over the answers. So here is the answer key. You can pause and take a look. Okay. So number 1 was sternocleidomastoid, originating in these two spots, here on the manubrium and here on the medial surface of the clavicle, because there's two heads of the sternocleidomastoid. Okay, 2 was trapezius, because we're on the EOP, sternal-occipital protuberance, and on the superior nuchal lines. And the trapezius also does come down on the spinous processes, C7 to T12, for the origination. And now for 3, we are on more of the anterior portion of the transverse processes of the cervical vertebrae, C3 to C6. So that would be anterior scaling. And then 4, now we're posterior, so that will be posterior scaling on the cervical vertebrae, C5 to C7. And then 5 is middle scaling origination, because we're on the lateral parts of the transverse processes from C5 to C7. And now 6 is starting the origins. 6 could be anterior or middle scaling, because they both insert on the first rib. And then 7, we can see is the second rib, so that'll be posterior scaling. 8, we're on the mastoid process, and that's where the sternocleidomastoid inserts. And then for the insertion of the trapezius, we're on the spine of the scapula, the acromion, and the lateral part of the clavicle. Hopefully that was helpful.